Hello car guys, welcome to CYD Cars. Today I have brought a very special Toyota Harrier for you. This is Toyota Harrier GR Sport. This car comes with a 2000cc petrol engine that's extremely powerful and reliable. This car, from the front, this car you can see these beautiful headlights coming with DRLs, coming with auto projector headlamps, again LED fog lights, and this beautiful chrome garnish grille that's going all the way to the back, making this car extremely beautiful. After that, you can see the beautiful wheels that this car have and the sporty GR Sport badged brake clippers. Going towards this side, you can see that chrome garnish grille going all the way to the back, making this car a very premium look. Then towards the back, you can see these lava LED tail lights. Then the Toyota Harrier badging, Toyota Harrier again, and then the GR Sport. That's special about this car. Then you can see this huge exhaust and this beautiful diffuser bumper with again a brake light here. Come, let me show you from inside. This car comes with a smart entry, so you don't have to pull the key or whatever it is. Talking about the seats, first of all, this comes with 6-way powered seats and again stitched with Napa leather and Toyota GR badging on it. Yeah, you can see the interior, how premium it is. Starting from this door, look at this beautiful stitched leather and this carbon fiber trim. Coming towards the inside, look at this steering wheel with GR badging on it and many features like lane assist, like multimedia controls, voice command. Then you can see here the cruise control. You can just pull it and go to highway very smoothly. Then you can see here again Toyota GR badging on the push start button. Here is electronic parking brake. Then it's auto on and off, traction control for better road grip on like rainy days. Then you have auto high beam. Then you have rear wiper. Then you have their LED beam. Then you can see even these brake pads are not normal. They are something different. So, coming toward the infotainment, this car comes with a very nice infotainment system and also digital climate control, which is also operated dually. Then you can see how premium this car is. Look at this stuff. You have storage compartment here. That's very nice for your big stuff. You can put your mobile phone here. You have so many storage spaces all over it. And this car is coming with Napa leather seats that are best even coming in German cars. Talking about the power and the engine of this car. Come take a look to this beautiful engine room. It comes with 2000cc petrol engine that's very powerful and very reliable. As you know, this sign of Toyota means reliability. Coming towards the back, this car is having a very good legroom and headroom. And also AC vents are here for you. Even these mats, they are also having the GR badging on them. You can see. Yeah. Now this car comes with 30-40 split. Like you can pull this seat like if you want to go a little bit forward, this a little bit back. You have a armrest here. Then you have some cup holders. And now they're going to open. Very nice. This of this car is also something else. You can see again GR badging here. Everywhere this car is filled with GR. And this car is having a lot of space in the boot. You can carry even like 3 to 4 people luggage very easily in this car. You can see I am almost 5'10" and I can even sit like this in the car. If you like this car, you want to check this car, you want to buy this car, you know where to come. CYD Cars Mombasa, Karibu.